Welcome! Look around you. With a smartphone in your pocket and a smart TV in your living room, we are completely immersed in the digital world. This revolution is powered by two things: multimedia information and communications technology, or ICT. But what do they actually do for us in the 21st century? Let's break it down.
Unparalleled access to information first and foremost. ICT has put the world's knowledge at our fingertips. Gone are the days of spending hours in a library for a single piece of information. With a few clicks, engines like Google give us access to vast databases, academic journals, and views from across the globe.
Multimedia enables by presenting information in different ways. Think of educational, YouTube, video, interactive infographics, or informative podcasts. Learning is no longer confined to a classroom. It's a continuous and accessible journey.
Revolutionize communication, remember writing letters and reading speak for our time. ICT has shortened those barriers, emails, instant messaging, and the videos called the connect us the instantly use the share experiences in real lifetime. Multimedia tools like video conferencing and social media platforms don't just let us know, they allow us to share experience in real time. This has transformed everything from personal relationships to global business, making collaborations and urban alliance smaller and more connected.
Boosting economic growth and entertainment in the world of business, ICT is the engine of innovation.
E-commerce platforms allow small business to reach a global market, while digital marketing use multimedia to create compelling campaigns.
Video game development are on the power of multimedia and ICT and multimedia and driving the growth.
The entire creative economy, from digital art to video game development, thrives on the power of multimedia and ICT, creating jobs, driving economic growth.
In the 21st century, information and communication technology, or ICT, and multimedia have evolved from the niche tools in the fundamental pillars of modern society.
ICT represents the vast infrastructure, the internet, satellites, computers, and software that allows for the instantaneous exchange of data across the globe.
Multimedia, in turn, is the rich tapestry of content that flows through this infrastructure, combining text, images, audio, videos, and interactivity to communicate ideas with unprecedented impact.
They are without a doubt the cornerstone of the 21st century.
So from education and communication to business and entertainment, multimedia and ICT are not just tools. They are the very fabric of our modern society. They empower us, connect us, and open up a world of possibilities.